Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change scene position settings on Fujifilm camera. And to do this, we'll need to click on menu, then find the camera shooting settings. It should be located right here. Then there's scene position and you'll be able to change it between a few different options. So we have a sunset, snow, beach, underwater, party, flower, and text. There's advanced SR auto, portrait and enhancer, landscape, sport, night tripod, and fireworks. And that is, I think, all of them. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.